Okay, so it's Blizzard 2011 here in Chicago, and right now I'm in my apartment looking at the south side of the street, and look, there's like no snow on the cars. And then you look at the north side of the street, and there's snow. The wind has been so ridiculous that I don't know if you can actually tell from here, but that car is almost completely buried. Almost completely buried. And I don't know who those guys are, or that guy, or that other dude. But like 2 seconds ago, there was a guy cross-country skiing down the street, which was kind of awesome. Yeah. I'm totally going outside to play today. Look at it. It's so awesome. Like big, fluffy, like pillows of snow kicking your ass because they come at you horizontally. Oh, it's so awesome. Oh, now I'm totally spying on my neighbors. Except I probably shouldn't because they could be spying on me and I'm not wearing pants.